going on, guys? As you can see, precariously perched right next to me here is something that I've been wanting for a really long time. I was able to source this JDM C60 with the TRD helical LSD for the daily 04 Matrix XRS. We're gonna be doing the conversion. I'm sure that's gonna be fun. I was able to source it from Texas JDM Motors. Real smooth transaction. Delivery was really good. Let's open it. Here's a quick walk around of how this thing came in. Obviously it's strapped to this pallet. Got a bunch of nice handle with care fragile stickers on the metal transmission. There's a bunch of broken glass already on the pallet. Maybe they put the fragile sticker on the wrong item, but hopefully our transmission is safe. It literally looks like a bundle. Packs came in from Texas. So there it is, JDM C60. Looks like it included all the hardware. I got shift cable bracket with these things, the ground strap, the rest of a shifter cable, reverse sensor, throwout bearing. Oh yeah, it's still good. All right, cool. I got glass in where the axle goes. That's
alright, cool. I got glass in where the axle goes. That's
oh, there's glass in. Man, I'm kind of irritated that there is broken glass inside the axle shaft here, so I'm gonna have to like get a vacuum and I'm gonna have to vacuum it out. That's kind of annoying. But ironically, well, look, there's a rag here to make sure that no broken glass got on the side facing down. That's cool. Alright, so we got some work ahead of us, but ultimately we're gonna get this into the Matrix. The Matrix is hanging out back there. Alright, so after doing like some vacuuming, like I had to vacuum all this broken glass out from all around the transmission, and I literally had to grab some like needle nose pliers to like reach into the axle shaft and like pull out shattered glass. Like I really hope there's not glass like stuck in the transmission. So I think what I'm gonna end up having to do is fill the transmission up with some like cheaper transmission fluid, run that for like 50 miles, if that, drain that before I fill it with the red line. But let's do a quick gear check. So we got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. All right, once this is in, and then I can already like envision, you know, after the tune and everything, what I'll be making amazing power and torque. It's gonna be like, whoa, 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 oh shit. Driving so hard the bolts fall out. Anyway, can't wait to get this thing in, and maybe my daily will be complete for like at least a little bit.